Hey guys, Dajehao. This is Abdullah Muhammad. You can call me Han Chao. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is Bulleh Shah's Humanism and Existentialism. Bulleh Shah, one of the most acclaimed Sufi poets of Punjab, was a humanist and a philosopher. We're going to take a glimpse of his humanistic thought from one of his famous quotes. Tear down the mosque, the temple, everything in sight, but do not break a human heart, for that is where God resides. चल बुलिया चल ओथे चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने चल बुलिया चल ओथे चलिए जिथे सारे अन्ने ना कोई साडी जात पछाने ना कोई सानू मन्ने ओ बुल्ले शाह let's go to a place where everyone is blind where no one knows our caste and neither does anyone holds me in high respect oh bulle shah let's go to a place where everyone is blind बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन ना मैं मोमन विच मसीत ना मैं विच कुफर दी रीत ना मैं पाकां विच पलीत ना मैं मूसा ना फिरौन बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन ना विच शादी ना गमनाकी ना मैं विच पलीती पाकी ना मैं आबी ना मैं खाकी ना मैं आतिश ना मैं पौन बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन ना मैं भेद मजहब दा पाया ना मैं आदम हव्वा जाया ना मैं अपना नाम दोहराया ना विच बैठन ना विच भौन भुला की जाना मैं कौन अव्वल आखिर आप नु जाना ना कोई दूजा होर पछाना मेथों होर ना कोई सियाना बुल्ला ओ खड़ा है कौन बुल्ला की जाना मैं कौन बुल्ला I know not who I am. I know not who I am. I am neither a believer going to the mosque, nor given to non-believing ways, neither clean nor unclean, neither Moses nor Pharaoh. I know not who I am. I am neither among sinners nor among saints, neither happy nor unhappy. I belong neither to water nor to earth. I am neither fire nor air. I know not who I am. Neither do I know the secret of religion, nor am I born of Adam and Eve. I have given myself to name. I belong neither to those who squat and pray, nor to those who have gone astray. I know not who I am. I was in the beginning. I would be there in the end. I know not anyone other than the one who could be wiser than me, whose master is ever there to tend. I know not who I am. Bulleh Shah, even his name carries great meanings in it. Bulla is Punjabi word meaning lost. He was lost in love, the real love, and forever love, everlasting love. He was like a moth attracted to fire. Bulleh Shah described his feelings, but nothing seemed enough. Him like a moth lost himself in that fire and got everlasting tranquility. Sometimes he describes he found that love and now he is compelled to tap with serenity. Sometimes he is so lost in that love he doesn't know who he is anymore. Neither water nor fire, neither pure or impure, not awake or sleeping. I just like to finish with the words of a famous philosopher, E.M. Foster. The four characteristics of humanism are curiosity, a free mind, belief in good taste, and belief in the human race. I really appreciate you watching and listening and for your attention. Thank you very much. Sheshe.